HRD Minister Smriti Irani has backed the UGC order. She says the government will not be interfering with UGC's order. She's also adding that the university must follow the UGC order. Joining us on the top story, Nandita Suneja. Nandita, just break this down for us. What does this mean? Even as the DU and the UGC face-off is continuing, it's the students who are suffering. When can we expect some sort of an order here or some sort of a decision on this?
Well, as far as the HRD ministry is concerned, indication is quite clear that UGC statement yesterday on the website is the final decision, that universities this time in DU are going to take students on a 3-year program the way it used to be before the 4-year undergrad program had been introduced by the previous government. So that is the final word. Now the only thing that's left to streamline is that students who had enrolled last year, who were in that semester system, how are they going to convert their courses into the old 3-year-old courses? So that clearly has been left to Delhi University's faculty and administration to sort out. It remains to be seen how they streamline that so that no inconsistencies are there between new students who are joining and those who are already enrolled in the 4-year course.
All right, clearly the future of students at stake there, Nandita, and that's the biggest question here. Let's also listen into a reaction that's coming in from Congress leader Manish Tiwari.
If a university goes around, making U-turns in this manner, whereby 1 year they have a 3-year graduate program, the other year they have a 4-year graduate program, and the third year they again have a 3-year graduate program, I mean, the university will become the laughing stock of the world. So therefore, it seems to be more of an ego issue rather than a well thought out strategy. And eventually, I think both the careers of students would be at stake. It would have implications on the reputation of the university. And most importantly, I think this is not the way in which the HRD ministry or the UGC should be dealing with an autonomous institution.
Clearly, the deadlock between Delhi University and the UGC escalating while DU sticks to its 4-year program. The UGC issuing an ultimatum to DU to hold admissions only under the 3-year program. Joining us live from the Delhi University on the story, Vijay Kao. Vijay, you've spoken to several people. Students are protesting, students are celebrating, but the question still remains, tomorrow is the day that the admissions have to begin. How are students going to go forward with it now?
Well, I can barely hear you because of the noise here outside the Arts Faculty in Delhi University, where students affiliated to the ABVP have been carrying out a victory march ever since around 11 a.m. this morning. They're celebrating the fact that decisions to scrap the FIUP has indeed been granted by the UGC. However, there are two sections of students, one that has already enrolled in FIUP and the other section of students that are entered Delhi University whose future is uncertain as to which course they will be following. Joining me now is Saket Bahuguna. He's the State Secretary of the ABVP and he now joins us. Saket, in the middle of this exchange of letters between the UGC and the Delhi University, the sufferers are the students. What advice would you like to give to both the UGC and the DU in particular as far as the scrapping of the FIUP is concerned, keeping in mind the students' interest?
See, let me clarify one fact, that the university now has also almost taken back FIUP. FIUP has been removed from the university website. If you look at the university website, FIUP has been changed to undergraduate program, and reports have been coming in that Union HRD Ministry has also said that the decision of the UGC will be final and abiding. Delhi University is governed by the law of the land, and UGC can actually order Delhi University regarding education policy. So now, as a student, as from a student organization, I'd like to request all newcomers to Delhi University that they should not panic, and they all are going to get admission in Delhi University's 3 years undergraduate program, which was world famous, which was very renowned, which was academically very sound, and which had years of teachers, years of ideas and teaching exchanges between teachers and students coming in. So I'd appeal to all the students to not panic at all. They are all going to get admission in the first year, in the 3 years program, and the students who are right now in the first year will also get their honours degree in 3 years completed.
Also listening to the reactions that are coming in, even as thousands of students are left in the lurch as the deadlock continues.
इस मामले में जहां तक कि आपकी लेंथ ऑफ डिग्री कोर्स है और जो एक्स्ट्रा ईयर जो यूनिवर्सिटी ने तय किया था पिछले साल, इसके बारे में आप बगैर यूजीसी के परमिशन के, बगैर फाइनेंशियल कमिटमेंट लिए, जिसका जो खर्चा 33% स्टूडेंट ज़्यादा के लिए होना चाहिए, उसका बिना कोई सैंक्शन लिए आपने ये जो कोर्स शुरू किया वो बेहद गैर जिम्मेदार रवैया था यूनिवर्सिटी का। और अब यूजीसी को बहुत पहले ही इसको रद्द कर देना चाहिए था। लेकिन अगर आप, चूंकि हमारी कंटिन्यूस जो स्टूडेंट्स और टीचर्स की डिमांड है, उसके बाद इन्होंने पूरी इशू को एग्जामिन करके देखा कि पूरा इलीगल है, परमिशन नहीं ली गई है इसके लिए और इसके लिए फंड्स नहीं अलॉट किए गए हैं, तो इसको रद्द अगर कर रहे हैं तो बिल्कुल सही बात कर रहे हैं। और वाइस चांसलर को कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है। एकेडमिक काउंसिल में उन्होंने इस बात को, यूजीसी की लेटर को रिपोर्ट किया और उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि रिकंसिडर करिए। रिकंसिडर करने के बाद अगर यूजीसी ने दोबारा उसको ऑर्डर दिया है तो इसको वाइस चांसलर को लागू करना ही पड़ेगा। और अगर आज ईसी की मीटिंग इन्होंने कैंसिल कर दी, वो बहुत ही इररिस्पॉन्सिबल बात है, क्योंकि ईसी में ही वो ऑर्डर प्लेस होना चाहिए और वहां से कॉलेजेस में जाना चाहिए। यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर को खुद ये कॉलेजेस में भेजना चाहिए, बजाय कि कॉलेजेस कंफ्यूजन में रहें यूजीसी और यूनिवर्सिटी के बीच में।
Till 1 o'clock, the university kept on discussing on the letters of 16th and 17th June. 16th June UGC का लेटर आया, 17th जून को यूनिवर्सिटी का कम्युनिकेशन दिया, लेकिन उन्होंने हमें 20 जून का लेटर दिखाने से इनकार कर दिया। इनकार मतलब दिखाया ही नहीं, 5 घंटे में बैठा के डिस्कशन करा रहे हैं, थका रहे हैं, अननेसेसरली थका रहे हैं। Then I raised my voice, I went into the well followed by another 10 teachers and we raised to show us the letter, and it was not a letter. I want to let it clarify, it was an order from UGC, roll back FYUP. In explicit words, it was an order which was not being shown by the university. See the dhanlebaji. Till we went into the well and we protested, they did not show us the letter. And within 5 minutes, that photocopy was available for everybody.
Akbar, what are your key demands at this moment? You are here to meet Smriti. Smriti is not here. But what are your key demands?
हमारा आज जो डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन हो रहा है, कल दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय के अंदर नए एडमिशन्स होने जा रहे हैं।